Hey guys, so in today's video, we're talking about P0099 trouble code. What are the symptoms, causes, solutions? Now, the symptoms of P0099 code is going to be a visual and performance indicator. So any check engine light illumination on the dashboard, decreased fuel efficiency, engine may idle roughly or stall unexpectedly, noticeable engine misfires during acceleration of idling. Now, another symptom is going to be your driver experience effects. So reduce overall engine performance, difficulty maintaining smooth acceleration and speed, increase emissions, potential for engine hesitation or stalling in traffic. Now, common causes of P0099 code is you may have a faulty IAT sensor. So this will trigger incorrect temperature readings leading to the P0099 code. Now, damage or corroded wiring as well is another culprit of this. So any damage or corroded wiring, such as cuts, corrosion, or wear, can interrupt the sensor signal and cause intermittent faults. Any poor electrical connections, loose or dirty connectors reduce electrical continuity, leading to fluctuating sensor data and sensor circuit errors. Next is going to be any vacuum leaks and PCM malfunctions, so it can misinterpret data or fail to process sensors input correctly. Now, solutions to fix P0099 code is replace the faulty IAT sensor, repair any wiring and connectors that may be corroded, frayed, or even, shorting out. Check and replace any fuses, as easy as pulling a fuse out of the box and checking if the coil is intact. Inspect and reprogram PCM, which is a little bit of a harder one. We would really suggest that you get a technician to do that for you. And seal vacuum leaks. So look for any, vacuum leaks in the intake system that may trigger the incorrect readings. Now, that's pretty much it. Those are the solutions, causes, and symptoms. Hopefully this video was extremely helpful for you. And we try to make everything very quick, not trying to take too much time out of your day. So a general insight for you is very important to us. But let us know in the comment section what you think, and if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. Thank you all for watching.